Welcome. In this video, we will learn about Python constructors. Python is a special kind of method that Python calls when it instantiates an object using the definition found in your class. Python relies on the constructor to perform tasks such as initializing any instance variable that the object will need when it starts. Constructors can also verify that there are enough resources for the object and perform any other startup task you can think of. Class functions that begin with double underscore are called special functions as they have special meaning. Of one particular interest is underscore init underscore close brackets function, that is init function. This special function gets called whenever a new object of that class is initiated. Let's see how we can do it by practically. Open the terminal, run the command as Python. You can see that it opens an interactive shell. My constructor looks like this, with parameters as many as you want. Create on a class called complex number. Now can get that our constructor is initiated. Now you can see that our constructor is initialized with parameter as real and imaginary. Get data to display the number properly. I have written the formatted output here for real and imaginary. Now finish the function here. C1 is my object and with parameter value as 10 and 20. Now display my real and imaginary values. Create another complex number object and create a new attribute attr. You can see that I am assigning the value for C2 object. I am printing the values here, the real values and imaginary values, and also the added attributes value to 8. But C1 object doesn't have attribute attr, so it displays the error. An interesting thing to note in the above step is that attributes of an object can be created on the fly. We created a new attribute attr for object C2 and we read it as well. But this did not create that attribute for object C1. Both are different value here. That's it in this video on constructors in Python. Thank you for watching this video.